Using a Cash App card at an ATM is a straightforward process that allows you to access your funds easily. To begin, make sure you have a Cash App account and a Cash App card. If you don't have a Cash App card, you can order one directly from the Cash App on your mobile device. First, locate an ATM that accepts Visa cards. As the Cash App card is a Visa debit card, you can use the ATM locator on the Cash App or look for ATMs in your area that display the Visa logo. Once you find an ATM, insert your Cash App card into the machine and enter your PIN. Select the option to withdraw cash and choose the account you want to withdraw from, which in this case is your Cash App account. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure you have sufficient funds in your account. Some ATMs may have withdrawal limits, so be aware of those before initiating the transaction. After entering the amount, review the details to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction and the ATM will dispense the cash. You will also be charged a fee for using the ATM, which will be deducted from your Cash App account. To avoid additional fees, try to use ATMs that are in the Cash App network, which can be found on the Cash App. You can also use the Cash App to transfer funds to a bank account or use the card for purchases, which can help you avoid ATM fees altogether. It is also important to keep your Cash App card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. If you encounter any issues or have questions, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. In summary, using a Cash App card at an ATM is a convenient way to access your funds. By following these steps and being mindful of fees and security, you can use your Cash App card at an ATM with confidence.